My name is Theresa, and I am a clinical dental assistant for Dr. Kinra. My tip of the day is how to protect the wire on your digital X-ray sensor. Digital X-ray sensors are a necessity in all operatories and can be very expensive to replace. The portion of the wire lying on the floor is vulnerable to being stepped on or even wheeled over by a chair. This can lead to damage of the wire and the need to replace a costly sensor. An economical solution is to purchase a cord protection product like this. This came from Amazon, but you can also find it at your local hardware store. I recommend cutting off a 36-inch section. This will give you enough product to make 10 covers at a cost of less than $2 each. The cord protection product has a slit down the side that you can gently roll your wire into. Now, the portion of the wire lying on the floor is protected from damage. This can also be used for other corded items in your office, such as intraoral cameras. You will learn more tips like this in the workshop with Dr. Kinra.